Hi friends, so I'm out in the clubhouse and I'm going to be hanging my LED light right up here. So I got a chain and I passed the screw through there, and I want this about flush with the wood here, so I'm going to put it right about there. So screw this in, it's kind of a up angle. Until the wood grain changes the angle for me. There we go. Probably hold a horse there. Right, so now I'm going to put my LED light. So the clubhouse is a little dark on this side with no lighting. So this bad boy is going to go right up here. Screw this in. Once it gets going, there we go. I might have to change the location of my screw here so it's not up against this main joist, but we'll find out here in a second as soon as I get this screwed in. Like that. Oh, that's about perfect actually. Run my light wire over to the plug-in over here. And bada bing. Whoo! That is bright. Oh, that's a weird effect, how it's showing a secondary light right up here. That is pretty cool. Anyways, let's take it off here and show you the full effect here. Okay, so let me show you before what it looks like over there. So it's daytime, so it's not too dark there because we do have the extra, sorry about the mess, we do have the door there. But at nighttime, when the kids like to hang out here sometimes, have a sleepover, it's kind of dark. So now with this, whew, look at that. It's nice and bright. That's how do you set it up? It looks pretty good. I have that chain on there. I just found out some chain in my garage. You could probably use. Yep, you could probably use a some paracord or different things to hold it. But I'm just gonna tie this cord up out of the way, and it's a perfect fit for the clubhouse here to keep it nice and bright in that second room. So. Thanks for watching this install video. My friends, we're going to the final review. Hello everyone, welcome back. This is the final review on the UFO high bay LED shop light I just put in. You can see installation was pretty much a snap. It's not that difficult. Plug and play pretty much. It is super bright, as you could see from the video. Puts out a lot of light, especially for that little room I had it in. I just put it in the kids' clubhouse on the side there. But if you wanted to put it outside or whatever, it'd do all right as well, as far as just illuminating a nice wide area. 13,000 lumens is quite decent, actually. I was even thinking about putting it in my bedroom and replacing the ceiling fan with just a nice bright light, but I got knocked down on that one. But because usually like the bedrooms, for some reason, if you have a fan in there, the fan light is not adequate for actually lighting up the room, and this light does quite a good job at throwing out a lot of light. So I'm pretty happy with it. The heat didn't seem to get that hot, just normal. Seems well constructed. I mean, very sturdy. Install was a snap. Anybody could do it if I can do it. I'm pretty happy with this light. I will leave a link in the description below. You guys can check it out on Amazon. And yeah, pretty cool light. going to be happy with it. I'm sure the kids will be happy with it now that they can see in their clubhouse up there too. So everyone have a great day out there. We'll see you next review. Take care.